Hi students, this is Shankar. I teach mathematics. In the last video, we discussed basic geometrical terms, different types of lines, the definition of angle, and types of angles. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss the pairs of angles. First one, what are complementary angles? Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. Example, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. The sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. So the angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees are complementary angles. Next example, 45 degrees and 45 degrees whose sum is 90 degrees. So the angles 45 degrees and 45 degrees are complementary angles. Next definition, what are supplementary angles? Two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. Example, 100 degrees and 80 degrees whose sum is 180 degrees. So the angles 100 degrees and 80 degrees are supplementary angles. Next example, 135 degrees and 45 degrees whose sum is 180 degrees. So the two angles 135 degrees and 45 degrees are supplementary angles. Next definition, what are conjugate angles? Two angles whose sum is 360 degrees are called conjugate angles. Example, 300 degrees and 60 degrees whose sum is 360 degrees. So the two angles 300 degrees and 60 degrees are conjugate angles. Next example, 180 degrees and 180 degrees whose sum is 360 degrees are called conjugate angles. Next one, what are adjacent angles? Two angles are said to be adjacent angles if they have a common vertex and a common side. Example, see the figure. OA, OB, OC are three different rays. O is the common point. See the figure. Angle AOB and angle BOC have a common vertex O and a common side OB. So the two angles AOB and BOC are adjacent angles. See the second figure. Angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles because angle 1 and angle 2 have a common side but do not have any common vertex. So angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles. Next one, linear pair of angles. What are linear pair of angles? If the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, then they are called a linear pair of angles. Example, see the figure. OA, OB, OC are three different rays. Angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles, as well as angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair of angles because angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. So angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair of angles. Next definition, vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? Two angles are said to be vertically opposite angles if they have a common point but do not have any common side. Example, see the figure. AB and CD are two intersecting lines. O is the common point. The lines AB and CD form four angles. AOC, angle COB and angle BOD, angle AOD. See the figure. Angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles because O is the common vertex and OC is the common side. So angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles, not a angle AOC and angle BOC are not a vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. This is the one pair of vertically opposite angles. Next, angle BOC and angle BOD are adjacent angles, not a vertically opposite angles. So angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angles. This is the another pair. Next, the most important theorem is relevant to vertically opposite angles statement. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Proof. First, see the figure. AB and CD are two intersecting lines at a point O. After the two lines AB and CD form a four angles. Angle AOC, angle BOC, angle BOD, angle AOD. AB and CD be two lines intersecting at a point O. We have to prove that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. First condition. The next second condition, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. See the figure. Now the ray OA stands on the line CD. Angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. This is the linear pair of angles, angle AOC and angle AOD. So the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. This is the equation 1. Next, the ray OD stands on the line AB. AB is a straight line. Angle AOD and angle BOD are linear pair of angles whose the sum is 180 degrees. Angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degrees. This is the equation 2. Next, ray OB stands on the line CD. CD is a straight line. Angle BOD and angle BOC are linear pair of angles whose sum is 180 degrees. This is the mathematical condition. Angle BOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. This is the equation number 3. From 1 and 2, both equation 1 and 2, the right hand sides angles are same. So the left hand sides are equal. Angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. These condition, angle AOD and angle AOD are same. So these two angles are cancelled. So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Next, from the equation 2 and 3, both equations, the right hand sides are same. So the left hand sides are same. Angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to angle BOD plus angle BOC. Angle BOD and angle BOD are the same angles. So these two angles are cancelled. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Hence the theorem is proved.